Yeah.
What do you mean, your guy?
Like, he's the one we've been friends with, and we want to buy him. We just don't have the money yet.
He can do a trick. It's pretty cool.
That's
You wanna
right.
see?
Yeah.
Come here, you.
I know you got a new friend, but hold on. I gotta show them what you can do that's so special. First of all, for green cheeks or any kind of Tanya to do that, impressive. He is so cool. He does what's up and what you doing. I've only heard him say both twice, but he does have the ability to say it.
I had a green cheek before though. Let me do this.
Cool, right? What's wrong with my weight, dude?
Yeah, that's him.
Awesome, right? Just super friendly.
Affectionate.
It's what it is. He'll sit there and rub his face against your finger all day.
Yep, that's why Tyler likes him.
And I don't know if you guys are interested, but we do have free bunny.